So I just picked up my grocery order and I am trying out these Fruit Riot sour real fruit, and they're in the frozen section. So the one I got was sour grape, but they also have I forget what the other fruits are. I'll list them right here. But this is the only one available at my grocery store. So I'm really excited to try it out because I love sour candy. This is like getting a sour candy fix, but with real fruit and a lot less calories. It's 45 calories per serving. So let's try these out together. They might be slightly thawed, hopefully not too bad though, since I just picked them up from pickup. Look at them, they're all colorful. So there's a green apple, a lemon lime, and a mixed berry. So I wanna try a green apple first. So they do have like some kind of coating. Oh. Oh my God. Really sour. But really good. One more, let's try one more. This is the mixed berry. Wow. If you like sour candy, wow. I'm so impressed by these. Woo, so sour. I gotta try the other ones now. Definitely try these. All right, you guys, I am ready. Look at my fun nails for the Boo Bash and Halloween at Disney. I wanted to do something more neutral still since it's not super close to Halloween, but of course wanted to do something fun and festive for the day. So we've got two little ghost Mickeys on either side. And then we've got on this side, I have a bat Mickey with sparkles. And then this side is a spider. It's like a Mickey spider. They're so fun, right? All right, you guys, I have a few fun pieces from Dressin.com. They did send me these clothes for review purposes, and so far I've already worn 2 of the pieces, so you can probably tell from that I'm enjoying them. I wore a shirt to work last week and showed you guys. I'm gonna insert the clip right here. So I'm not gonna try that one on again, but I have a few dresses that honestly I have not tried on to see if these even fit well. So we're gonna find out together. 2 of these dresses are extremely wrinkled. I did not have a chance to steam them yet, so just disregard that. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, first dress has pockets, which is already a big plus. I think it's very flattering at my waist. This kind of like elastic goes far enough down that it supports the look of my waist. I love the floaty sleeves. I believe this comes in a few different colors too, and it's really comfortable. Nice and long. This is gonna be a really good one for work, and also I might bring it with me on my vacation because it's really nice and comfortable. The sleeves kind of float there, so you definitely need a strapless bra. But another really cute, like, as I almost kill myself, a really fun, flowy, long dress. I feel like this would be really nice in fall, or like as we transition into fall, since it's all shoulders open. Cute, right? Okay, next. I love these kind of tops in the winter, fall and winter. You can button this all the way up, but I kind of like it when it's like a little popped like that. But yeah, just a really nice long sleeve. Green, I wanted more green in my closet because I feel like I don't wear enough green, and it definitely brings out my eyes more. So this is super soft material. I want it to be long sleeve weather so bad. Okay, another really great dress for work, I feel like, or even church because of the modesty. It goes like all the way up to my neck and it's longer, really flowy. This would be super pretty on like a tropical vacation too because of the colors. I love the floaty sleeves. Can't you totally see this dress on a cruise? It just screams cruise to me. Okay, so the little sleeves are cute on this, but this is a prime example of something not fitting me exactly right because the scrunchy part here only stops right here under my breast. If it stopped a little lower like the other dress at my waist, it would give me more of that form. Otherwise, it's very boxy on me, I feel like. All right, this one's a little too tight, especially in my bust area, so I can't zipper it, but maybe, you know, if 5 to 7 pounds from now. It'll be fine. So it's really cute. I love all the butterfly on it. The sleeves are cute. So if you guys are interested in purchasing from Dressin, I'll have all these items linked below, as well as a link where you can get $6 off your first purchase through them. And they're always having sales. Like, I feel like the bag gives it away, so that's why I'm not showing part of the bag. But this is my look for the Oogie Boogie Bash. I'm not planning on vlogging a ton. I do plan to vlog the parade and some of the villains, but I don't want to vlog the whole time because it's my first time ever going, and I just want to, you know, have fun and experience it. But anyways, I'm pretty sure it's very obvious what I'm going as. But here's another hint. Apple earrings. And then, if you can't guess from that, now that you see that side of the purse there, it's Snow White. And it's kind of, you know, like a Disney-bound Snow White. It's not like an exact replica costume kind of thing. I wanted it to be just like regular clothing look.
Do you not die of cuteness with this Snow White pattern in the inside?
Thought I would share the rest of my packing for Disney with you guys. So this is the day that my mom and I are matching. I think these are so cute. We got them off Etsy. She has Mickey. So I'm just going to wear either black jeans or regular jeans. And then these, I've worn them to the parks before. They glow in the dark. They're super cool. I'm pretty sure I'm going to wear this the second day. It's just like a really nice, flowy, easy top because it's still kind of warmer right now since it's late August. And then I found these really affordable online. I think they were like $5. They are pretty thin, but I thought they'd be nice and lightweight, and I like that it incorporates the theme. Can you tell what I'm going as here as Disney bounding? So I also have the gold ears. I have this cool checkered bag. I'm also wearing sneakers that are black and white like this, and I have lightning earrings and glasses that have fire on them, like little fire. You'll see. But it's nice and comfortable. Again, either wearing black jeans or regular jeans. And then this is like a secondary outfit, like second half of the day if I want to take different like content pictures, or it's a secondary outfit if I don't want to be in this outfit. I don't know why I wouldn't though, because I love how it came together. But I love this bag that Haley and Brian got me for my birthday. It's a vintage Disneyland resort bag. And I just thought, what better way to pair it with a Mickey Mouse Club Mouseketeers shirt. I got this at Target last year, I believe. Yeah, because it was part of the 100 years collection. I still haven't worn it because it's like a crop top. And I would wear my high-waisted black jeans if I wear this. And this is a hat, so for sure it'll be second day because I don't want to mess up my hair the first day, since that'll also be the Oogie Boogie Bash. And then I have one additional option. These are all, as you can tell, comfortable outfits though. I'm not, besides the one I'm wearing Oogie Boogie, they're all going to be really comfortable. I've worn this shirt also to the park at Halloween time. It says Good Witch, haha, just kidding. And I thought that would be the perfect shirt to use my Maleficent ears with.